I recently purchased this set of 2 large glass food storage and baking containers. These containers are perfect for meal prep and each have a generous 8-cup capacity, providing plenty of space for storing food or leftovers. Something that stands out is the heavy-duty and high-quality construction. They are made with industrial and restaurant-grade glass, and they feel super sturdy and durable. The plastic lids are BPA-free and have an airtight locking closure that provides a secure seal preventing any spills or leaks. This will be especially useful for soups and sauces and gives me confidence the containers won't leak when I carry them or travel with them in my car. What really impresses me is that these containers can be safely used in the oven, which allows me to bake directly in them. I find this feature very convenient as it saves me from having to transfer the food to another dish. The containers can go from the refrigerator to the microwave or oven without any issues, making reheating a breeze. However, it's important to note that the lids are not safe for microwave or oven use. These containers are also freezer, microwave, and dishwasher safe, which makes them very convenient to use on a daily basis. Cleaning them is a breeze, and they have shown no signs of wear or damage after multiple uses. These large glass food storage and baking containers are excellent for anyone in need of reliable and versatile food storage options. With their sturdy construction, leak-proof design, and ability to be used for both storage and baking, they are an essential part of my kitchen.